Ricoh Theta V 4K 360 spherical camera. See videos and 14MP 360 degrees still images. The Ricoh Theta V features high-end video capture with 4K 360 degrees, 3840x1920, at 30 frames per second. Capture high-resolution 14-megapixel 360 degrees still images, with the push of one button. Theta V shoots high-definite smooth 360-degree video at 30 fps at 3840x1920 pixels or 4K. It supports the H.264 file format for video recording, remote release, CA3 compatible. High-res 360-degree spherical stills and video with improvements to the image quality. New Qualcomm Snapdragon processor has completely enhanced the exposure accuracy and white balance algorithm. Theta has a 4-channel microphone that supports 360-degree spatial audio recording. Built-in omnidirectional audio is recorded not just in the horizontal direction but also in the vertical direction. The world's first remote playback capable fully spherical camera allows users to wirelessly play back 360-degree images and videos on a large screen display using a compatible wireless display adapter. The camera can always be connected to a smartphone using Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE). This function provides improvements in usability and power consumption.